Step number 1 here, white paint, palette knife, as I'm slowly filling up this real estate. Be sure to watch till the end for bonus tips, of course. And notice that I'm using a thick viscosity paint. It's important. And slowly filling out this real estate with a palette knife here. And gently from masking tape to inward into the canvas is what's important here to get a nice, clean finish line after we unmask. Step number 2, I'm just basically using an old Bob Ross brush here just to kind of basically creating a silhouette foundation, if you will, of a tree here with this leaf. I'm just painting, dabbing it in gently one at a time. Notice that I created a little empty space there. And then I'm using this palette knife to kind of get that black paint on tip of the palette knife, up and down motion, gently kind of applying it, as you can see more clearly here, to create this tree trunk, as well as a little bit of land here to for this tree to kind of stand on, and creating a little branch here, up and down motion, and just kind of eyeballing a little bit, and here we are. And here we are, step number 3. I'm going to use a phthalo green, but any kind of green that you'd like to use is fine here. A dark, keeping it dark is important, and just kind of dabbing it into place. And after a while, we're going to mix in it with a little bit of white to create that highlight using a sponge here, just kind of dabbing it in, of course. A little bit here and there. Don't apply it too much. And using the sponge to just kind of dabbing it into place. And step number 4 here, a little bit of red here that I'm mixing it in with the green to create this brown tree trunk color. And on tip of this palette knife from left to right, as you can see, very gently, left to right, left to right. You see that? Left to right. And also adding a little bit of white color to make the brightest part of the tree trunks. Toothpick action to just kind of highlight the grass area here and there. And here we are, unmasking, which is the final step, number 5. And as you can see how clean those lines are. See, the important part of it is using a thick viscosity paint, which I'll show you later if you can stick around as a bonus feature. But here we are, 5 easy steps. You can create this nice little painting for your home or office or dorm and have a great time with it. These are the paints that I used. As you can see, a thick viscosity, heavy body, if you will, is what it's called, Liquitex.